Hey, it's Joe with Lake Erie Golf Cars, and we're taking a look at an EZGO 4-passenger turned into a 6-passenger. So, how does this happen? Well, let's get down to the details of it. The original golf car is stripped down to its frame. Once it's stripped down to its frame, our expert technicians come and they cut it in half. That's right. They cut the frame right in half. As you can see here, the original parts of the frame. So it's cut in half all the way down the frame. And these are EZGO approved parts, by the way. So while it's cut down, it's separated. When it's separated, these parts are added into it. Now this is an extension piece. It comes together as a unit. And you can see it replaces this original part. Basically, what you're looking at here is the same piece of this just added on, right? Like you're looking at another front half where the people sit on the golf cart, added on to the frame in the back with some supports in the middle, right? And you also have, if you see here, holes drilled, and these connected to this support, so you have this solid piece running all the way down here for more support and stability, right? Taking a look at this. If this is something you're interested in doing, let us know. This is something we can do to your golf cart, or you can come in and purchase one of these. This is one of the ways to meet the high demand for 6-passenger golf carts in the industry. So as you can see, this gives you the extra space needed to turn a 4-passenger golf cart into a 6-passenger golf cart.